This lesson is on compound words. Compound words are two words that are put together to form one new word with a new meaning. For example, we have the word pan and we have the word cake. Now, if we add cake to pan, we get a totally new word with a new meaning, pancake. Let's look at some more pictures and words. Here we have rattle plus snake makes rattlesnake. Rain plus bow makes rainbow. Egg plus shell makes the compound word eggshell. Foot plus ball makes the compound word football. Let's look at some words and decide whether or not they are compound, because sometimes a word can have two smaller words in it, but they're not separate words that were meant to be put together to make a compound word. So we'll talk about that as we go through this. The first word here is bathroom. Well, bath is a word and room is a word, and when we put them together, that makes bathroom. That is a compound word. The second word here, office, well, off is a word, and we could say that ice is a word. But when we put those two words together, that's not forming a meaning of a new word that has anything to do with those two words, so that is not a compound word. This next word, everything, we have every and we have thing. When we put that together, it makes everything, and that makes sense. That would be a compound word. This next word here, cup, cake, is a compound word. Pop, corn, if we put it together, we get the compound word popcorn. Kitten, well, kit is a word, and 10 is a word. But when we put the word kit and the word 10 together, that doesn't make the meaning of kitten. So that is not a compound word. Same thing with season. See is a word and sun is a word, but when we put those two words together, they weren't meant to make another word with somewhat of a similar meaning. So that would not be a compound word. Same with father. You can say, well, I see the word fat and I see the word her in there, but they're not meant to be a compound word together, so that would not be a compound word. Driveway makes driveway. Yes, that would be. Keyboard. Key and board put together to make a keyboard that you would play on. That is a compound word. Carrot. Car's a word. Rot's a word, but they're not put together to make a compound word. So carrot would not be a compound word. Raindrop, rain, and drop put together makes the compound word raindrop. That ends our lesson today on compound words.